In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track sales commissions in QuickBooks Online. We're going to keep this simple and practical, and by the end, you'll have a clear way to calculate and record commissions right inside your invoices and sales receipts without needing any extra spreadsheets. First, we'll set up a dedicated commission item that you can reuse every time you need to track a commission. In QuickBooks Online, start by going to the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, choose Products and Services. This is where all of your items live, like the products you sell or the services you provide. We're going to add a new service specifically for commissions. Click the New button, then select Service. This tells QuickBooks that what you're creating is not a physical product, but a service-type item. Give it a clear, simple name so it's easy to find later, something like Sales Commission. You can always refine the name to match how your team talks about commissions, but keep it consistent so everyone recognizes it. Next, you'll see a field for sales price or rate. Instead of putting in a dollar amount, you'll enter the commission percentage here. For example, if you pay a 10% commission, you can set the rate to 10. The idea is that you'll use quantities on invoices to represent the actual sales amount, and this rate will apply your percentage. Once everything looks good, go ahead and save the service. Now you have a reusable commission item that's ready to go. Next, let's add this commission to a sale. Open an invoice or a sales receipt, just like you normally would when recording a customer sale. Add your regular products or services first, so the total sale amount is accurate. Then, on a new line, choose the sales commission service you just created. Here's where the quantity field becomes important. Instead of representing units of a product, you'll use the quantity to reflect the base amount the commission is calculated on. For example, if your commission rate is 10% and the sale amount is 100, you might use a quantity of 100 and let the 10% rate do the math. Adjust this quantity so the commission calculates correctly for each sale. Finally, make sure the commission line is linked properly. Assign it to the correct sales rep or connect it to a dedicated commission expense account so it's easy to track on your reports. Once you save the invoice or sales receipt, your commission is recorded alongside the sale, giving you clearer insight into both revenue and commission costs in one place.